So this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a car wreck, but you know it's going to taste delicious. I kind of want some. Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and today we're coming to you from Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground. But that's going to be a whole nother video. Tonight, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spiral ham right here in your Ninja Foodi. And we're going to make a couple sides with it. We're going to make roasted garlic Parmesan potatoes and a green bean casserole that's so good, it's going to knock your socks off. So are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. Part 1. The ham. The first thing you're going to need, and the most obvious, is a 4 to 6 pound spiral ham. Next, go get you a cup of brown sugar, a 20-ounce can of pineapple. Tidbits work the best, but all I have is this, so we're going to mash those up in a bowl. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and some of your favorite local honey. You might have to bear with the noise a little bit. There's a good thunderstorm going on. You know, of course, because we pulled in to go camping today. It's got a thunderstorm. It's Florida. All right, we're back. We had hail, we had lightning, we had power surges. It was chaos. But it ain't gonna stop me from making this ham, so let's get back to it. Add 1 cup of water to your Ninja Foodi. Then if you have the small trivet that came like with an Instapot or something, the smaller one, put that in there because I found out the trivet that came with the Foodi and the size of my ham, it didn't fit. So you want it to sit above the water, just get as low as you can. And since my ham's so big, we're going to put it in sideways. Usually you want to put it in like this, but it sticks up too high in mine. So put it in sideways like this. Kind of press it down a little bit. And don't forget to take this little thing off of there too that's stuck to the bone on the top of the ham. I don't want plastic in there, that'd be gross. Now, get your bowl, 1 cup of brown sugar, dump it. Get your pineapple with the juice, dump it. Now you're going to get a little spoon. We're going to mix it all up. And since we're using the rings instead of tidbits, we're just going to crush it up in there, okay? Okay. All right, as you can see, I just chopped up those pineapples in there with that brown sugar and sauce, mixed it all up, and boom, kind of tidbits. Mix it up real good, and then we're going to pour it on top of the ham. Kind of spread the slices apart so you get all that deliciousness right in there. Now obviously the lid's not going to fit like this, so smush it around, move it around, let it fall to the bottom, because we're going to make a glaze after the ham's done. Tell you what, this is camping at its finest, glamping. Go ahead and put your pressure lid on. Set it to seal, and we are going to pressure cook for 15 minutes and then do a 10-minute natural release. Well, we did about a 10-minute natural release. Now we're going to let the rest of the pressure out. All right, the pressure is just about done. So before it's done, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. Also, come on over to Facebook and join our group. It's the Ninja Foodi Instapot Universe. There we share all of our tips, tricks, ideas, pictures, all that good stuff. So come on over and check it out. It's so much fun. All right. Red pins drop. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Smell that. Man, that looks and smells amazing. I don't know how I'm going to get it out of there, but it looks and smells amazing. I can't wait. I'm just doing it. So tender, so smoky, so delicious. Thank God for editing. Let's see how many times it takes me to get this out without making a mess. Let's take 1. Let's try it this way. Grab a hold of those little trivet handles. All right, take it out and let's put it on the cutting board as it falls apart. That smells so good. All right, that's what it's going to look like. We're going to take it out, let it cool down, and we're going to start making that glaze. Let's go ahead and hit that sear saute function and get this to a boil. Then we're going to make a cornstarch slurry up, put it in there, and make it all nice and thick and bubbly. And then we're going to pour it on the ham and chow down. Tell you what, this glaze better hurry up and start boiling before we all eat all this ham. It's so good. All right, we let that reduce for about 10 minutes now. So go ahead and put in 1/4 of a cup of honey. Use that hot juice in there to help clean that out. You know, honey's all thick. Perfect. Now take 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Put it in there. Make up that little slurry. I don't know why I love saying that word. Slurry. Then what do we do with it, Michelle?
Dump it.
Now we're going to cook that for a couple more minutes till it's all nice, thick, and bubbly. So it's not quite getting thick enough for me, so I'm going to do another tablespoon of cornstarch and water. That'll do the trick. You can taste it before you do that too and see if it's sweet enough for you. If it's not sweet enough for you, add a little more brown sugar and honey. Alright, see how that's all nice and thick and bubbly now? Yeah. It'll get a little bit thicker as it cools off. So let's go ahead and take out a Ninja Foodi. Let's dump that glaze into a bowl. Let that cool down for a couple minutes, and then we're going to put it on some ham and enjoy it. As you can see, it makes a lot of glaze, so when you're done using it with your ham, go ahead and freeze it and save it for later because this stuff tastes so good. Alright, got a little bit of ham right here. I'm going to get a little bit of this pineapple, a little bit of this glaze, pour it right on there. Look at that, all nice and thick. And now my favorite part. Let's give it a try. And the ham, the pineapple, the glaze. Oh my goodness. That is amazing. The ham has a nice smoky flavor to it. Super tender. The brown sugar and the pineapple juice and the honey give it that super sweet glaze with that smoky. This is amazing. So come back for the next video and I'll show you how to make that green bean casserole that'll knock your socks off. Don't worry, I'm not going to throw the socks at you again. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Let's eat.